Hi everyone, adding a paragraph border in Microsoft Word is a great way to make your specific text stand out from the rest of your document. So first you need to select the paragraph you want to the border. For example, this one. And then go to the Home tab and in the paragraph group click the small icon down arrow next to the borders. Click on this borders and shading. So in the borders tab, look at the setting column on the left side. You will see that box, shadow and customs. So it's up to you which one you like. So I'll be selecting 3D and here you can choose the style of the border. For example, you want a double line border. Click on this and select the color of your choice. For example, I'll be selecting green color, and from the width you can select from 4 1 by half pt or you can select 3 pt. So in the preview you can see the border styles, and now make sure you should apply to the paragraph and click OK to proceed, and here it is. If the border feels too tight against the text, then go to the border and shading again, and now click on this option, and now here you can increase or decrease the border distance. For example, you can increase the top and bottom 3 pt and from left and right 7 pt. Click OK to proceed, and here you can see that. So this way you can easily apply paragraph border in MS Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.